When you picture healthy soil, you might imagine rich, dark earth teeming with life. Soil that grows strong, resilient crops. But how do farmers build soil health? And how do we know what's working? Farmers are using beneficial management practices to build their soil health. These are everyday farming practices like reduced tillage, cover crops, and organic amendments that improve how soils function over time. Many farmers can see the benefits of adopting these practices directly in their fields. They notice improved yields, better water infiltration, and soils that are easier to manage when weather conditions are challenging. Now researchers are building on those observations by measuring soil health directly, using indicators that show how soil functions below the surface. And thanks to new research, we now know just how much of a difference those practices can make. The Greenbelt Foundation's Regional Soil Health Report looked at hundreds of fields across the Greater Golden Horseshoe, and the results are exciting. Farmers using beneficial management practices had soils that were healthier, more resilient, and more biologically active than fields managed conventionally. So what's driving these improvements? First, reduced tillage. When farmers limit how much they disturb their soil, they give soil structure a chance to rebuild. Fields using reduced tillage had 16% higher soil aggregate stability, meaning the soil holds together better and is less vulnerable to erosion and compaction. Next, cover crops. These plants keep living roots in the soil between growing seasons and help feed soil organisms. Fields using cover crops showed a 28% increase in soil respiration, a clear sign of more active, productive soil life. And then there are organic amendments, like manure. Sourced on-farm, manure recycles nutrients and helps build soil carbon. Farms using practices like organic amendments saw a 6% increase in soil organic carbon, improving soil structure and long-term fertility. But here's the biggest takeaway. The strongest gains didn't come from any single practice. They came from stacking practices together. Take a look at the full report on the Greenbelt Foundation's website to see how beneficial management practices are improving soil health indicators. And remember to share this video with anyone who may be curious about the benefits of adopting these practices.